Hey everyone, Scott J. away from Crucible Custom Props, Northworks Lab and Forums here. So today we have another Blaster Factory Chewy Bowcaster. But this one is a little bit different from the ones before. The ones before were completely the kit. All the parts were the kit. This one actually has some real parts. So we have some real found parts. Of course, the kit comes with real knobs here. Real knob here. And a real fender knob here. But this kit, this person in particular sent the original Zorky camera and the Kodak knob. So we have the Kodak knob on the Zorky base and the Zorky knob top over here. I'm not sure why the original builders did it that way, but that's what they did. And there is a new aluminum block on the inside of this button array. Before it was two 3D printed pieces and nothing, I didn't really like the way it went together before. You had to put nuts on the back of the screws and everything together, and it was just kind of wonky. Wasn't great. But this is awesome because every screw screws into the aluminum block inside. So big improvement over the older kit version. But this one also has a scope assembly with all real scopes. See, so these are both Model 7s, and this is a real single point, and looks like vintage scope mount feet as well. So yeah, this is the Bowcaster is super cool. It's fairly big, so in shipping it I have to take off the whole front and the scope assembly so nothing will get busted up, but that's all very easy to put back on with an Allen wrench and some thumb screws and a flathead screwdriver to tighten those down. But yeah, man, it's cool. The owner does have a correct strap for it, but we don't have the rest of the pieces for the rings and everything, so I'm gonna let him go ahead and take care of that if he needs to attach those. But otherwise, it is super cool, super accurate, super complete. This Blaster Factory Chewy Bowcaster is just great because you get aluminum and with that new center block, it's great. I mean, everything just goes together perfectly. It's a bit cumbersome to paint and everything, but yeah, it's awesome. Awesome kit. So there it is. So another Chewy Bowcaster. All right, thanks for watching.